Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: clamor, CLAMOUR. Subversive, SUBVERSIVE. Clamor, a loud and confused noise, especially that of people shouting. Synonyms: racket, uproar, yell, scream, outcry, howl, shout, agitation, hue and cry, ferment, bustle. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: silence, calm, order, peace, agreement, harmony, quiet. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the children were all clamoring for attention. Subversive, trying to destroy or damage something, especially an established political system. Synonyms: inflammatory, insurgent, riotous, overthrowing, perversive, incendiary, insurrectionary, dissident, saboteur. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: loyal, obedient, law-abiding, mild, inoffensive, harmless, safe, centrist. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: they were expelled from the country for subversive activities. Bungle, BUNGLE. Efficacious, EFFICACIOUS. Bungle, done very badly in a careless or a stupid way. Synonyms: mishandle, mismanage, spoil, botch, flub, gum up, mess up, drop the ball, louse up. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: succeed in, manage successfully, do well, fix, help. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he must understand his position so as not to bungle the thing. Efficacious, successful in producing a desired or intended result. Effective. Synonyms: productive, effectual, fruitful, efficient, constructive, operative, powerful, influential, capable, adequate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unproductive, fruitless, ineffective, weak, incapable, impotent, inoperative, unfruitful. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: yoga is very efficacious at reducing stress. Allude, ALLUDE. Legitimate, LEGITIMATE. Allude, to mention someone or something without talking about him or her or it directly. Synonyms: imply, mention, hint, point, indicate, insinuate, intimate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: specify, ignore, forget, publicize, announce, declare, delineate. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Jeeva mentioned some trouble that she had at home, and I guess she was alluding to her husband. Legitimate, to make something legal or acceptable. Synonyms: lawful, admissible, licit, just, reasonable, sensible, correct, fair, genuine, verifiable, accepted. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: illegal, illicit, unlawful, invalid, improper, incorrect, wrongful. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he should at least give a legitimate excuse for being late. Flag, FLAK. Royal, ROIL. Flag, strong criticism. Synonyms: disapproval, abuse, pan, fault finding, opposition. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: approval, compliment, praise, endorsement. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: you must be strong enough to take the flag if things go wrong. Royal, make someone annoyed or irritated. Synonyms: disturb, rile, agitate, annoy, bother, displease, boil, churn. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: aid, calm, help, make happy, please, soothe. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: financial markets have been roiled the banking crisis. Grouse, Grouse. Rueful, Rueful. Grouse, complain about something trivial. Grumble. Synonyms: complain, groan, whine, whimper, growl, fault finder. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: compliment, praise, bear, applaud, rejoice, accept. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she heard him grousing about his assistant. Rueful, express regret or sorrow in a quiet and gentle way. Synonyms: sorrowful, regretful, dolorous, apologetic, grieving, bitter. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: happy, cheerful, delighted, glad, unrepentant, shameless. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he gave me a rueful smile and apologized. Tactical, Tactical. Perpetual, Perpetual. Tactical, calculated. Synonyms: planned, plotted, clever, deliberate, prudent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unwise, inadvisable, imprudent, impolitic. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he made a tactical error in agreeing to the debates. Perpetual, everlasting or happening all the time. Synonyms: eternal, never-ending, undying, perennial, enduring. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: limited, temporary, brief, ephemeral, finite, bounded. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she resented his perpetual complaining about her cooking. Trounce, Trounce. Defection, Defection. Trounce, defeat heavily in a contest. Synonyms: beat, annihilate, thrash, bash, conquer, bury, crush. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: surrender, preserve, lose, fail, underwhelm, save. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: France trounced Italy by 4-1 in the semi-finals. Defection, the act of leaving a country, political party, etc. Synonyms: revolt, rebellion, rejection, absconding, separation, failure. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: joining, loyalty, harmony, plenty, enough. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: his defection from the party was really shocking. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.